Hi, I'm Ashan Uyangoda. Today let's talk about quasars. Quasar is a short form word which stands for quasi-stellar radio source, also abbreviated as QSO. These were named as such because they were first observed by early radio astronomers. They were appeared as faint star-like dots in the night sky, and astronomers at that time did not have any idea about what they are. Astronomers observe extremely high redshifted values from these objects, and this leads to determine that they were extremely luminous and very distant active galactic nuclei, also abbreviated as AGN. There are different types of AGNs in the universe according to the observer's point of view. Quasars are one of the types of AGNs. They are very bright, distant, and active supermassive black holes, which have mass of millions or billions of solar masses, surrounded by host galaxy. Although they are the most luminous objects in the known universe, you cannot see them with your naked eyes. The reason is they are very fainter and very distant from the Earth. The brightest quasar in the optical range is named as QSO 3C273. This was the first quasar which was discovered in early 1960s by Alan Sandage. It has apparent magnitude of 12.9. It is 2.5 billion light years away from us. Objects with apparent magnitude of 8 or larger are harder to see from the naked eye. Both optical and radio telescopes are used to observe them. As you can see in the image, the quasar emits jets of material and massive amount of radiation throughout the universe. When the higher rate of matter falling into the supermassive black hole, the stronger magnetic fields may occur. Due to these powerful magnetic fields, quasars' powerful jets or bright corona can occur. The black hole coronas are a region of diffuse hot gas that lie above and below a much denser disk of material swirling around the black hole. These black hole coronas threaded with stronger magnetic fields. Quasars are kind of galaxies which has highly active galactic nuclei. Due to the high radiation and shock waves, these galaxies does not believe to exist life and star formation. But there is a research going on about the quasar jets which stimulate to form galaxies at the end of their jets. If you learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.